Alright, so I picked up this PS5 today. This is a original model PS5 digital edition. Excuse the shell not being on it, was really dirty, and so cleaning it. Anyways, the issue with this one is the guy said that it powers on but shows no video output. Now, typically, the one or two things is usually HDMI port or the encoder chip, which is, let's see, this chip right here. So, one of the two of those is more likely the issue here. You can tell this one, the warranty sticker is still intact, so nobody's ever been inside this before. Obviously, this thing is really dirty. It's going to be cleaned out thoroughly. Anyways, let's try to power on and see what it does. We should see a blue light, should blink a few times, turn to a white light, and we should get image on the TV if it's working correctly. So it is powering on. We are getting the blue light. Should pulsate a little bit, which is exactly what we want. Okay, it did turn white, which again is what we want. However, no image. So, we're going to get this thing taken apart, do some testing, and get it fixed. Okay, so a lot of times on these HDMI ports, they'll be broken or bent on the inside. Looking at this one, it actually looks really good. Typically they'll be like this. Well, kind of hard to tell, but anyways, it's bent on the inside, broke on the inside. I mean, just obvious physical damage. And it's very common on the PS5s. Sony kind of did a horrible job when it comes to the HDMI ports. So anyways, now we're going to get it taken apart. Okay, so after getting the board out, putting it up underneath the microscope, and of course I have it up on my TV screen. So this is the original HDMI port. It's never been replaced before. You know, obviously, like I said, nobody has been in here because of the warranty stickers. But keep your eyes on these pins right here. So we go through and we check. You know, that pin, they're all connected. And then you get down here, starting right there. All these are loose. These last four. And so if you have any loose, any that's broken, any that's bent, even just one, you know, you're not going to have your video output. So we're going to go ahead and replace the whole HDMI port. We're going to take this off, put new solder down on all these pads right here, and just replace the whole port. Alright, so we got the new port soldered on and replaced. Go through, check all the pins, make sure no loose connections. Every pin is solid. we get all this flux stuff cleaned up right here, make it look a little bit better, reassemble, and we'll test it and see if we got video. I gotta put back together enough to test. So we get the blue light, should turn white, and we should get some kind of display on the screen. Okay, that is white, and we have image. Alright, that was another PS5 fixed, and another console saved.